Hello, Amazon shoppers. It's Amy here with 911 Studios, and today I just want to shout out one of my all-time favorite fragrances, especially for summer. It's getting to be that season. It is Versace Bright Crystal. You guys, this fragrance is lovely. It makes a beautiful gift. The packaging is beautiful. It's just this light pink and it's dreamy and it evokes all of these, just magical summer kind of things. What I love about it is that it manages to be light and summery and tropical without being cheesy or coconutty or overbearing. It's something that just gives you that like mahogany base and something that is almost unisex, really. Like if you're a guy, I think you could almost get away with wearing this. It just has that mix of just soft flowers, nothing that is too floral, just a little bit of your lotus and your peonies, and then comes in with the musk and the mahogany underneath and balances everything. You guys, this is a lovely fragrance. I love it. I love it as a gift, and I really love it for summer. If you are looking for something that is summery without being overwhelmingly you don't want something that's just like coconut and hibiscus for summer. This is going to be your go-to beautiful, lovely, quality, long-lasting fragrance that will get you through the summer months. Is something that is just bright and bouncy without being overly summer. So check it out, put it in your cart. You guys are gonna be really, really happy you did.